sunlight your head. Please talk to me now. I tell you time and time again how much I care.
Make I see by 2 minutes is all I ask. 2 minutes.
My heart will overflow.
2 minutes.
Hello, I just want to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are. I don't wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying, Mrs. Chairman, I love you.